Hey Luxorium fam, step into Parisian Haussmann magic today. We're touring a luxe mansion bursting with herringbone parquet, ivory walls, and sunlight-kissed elegance. Get ready for 14 dreamy rooms that scream refined French vibes. Let's dive in. Step into this stunning Haussmann foyer. Glossy herringbone oak parquet gleams under sunlight pouring through tall wrought-iron windows. Soft ivory walls with gold accents feel so welcoming. That marble console with fresh flowers, pure Parisian charm. High ceilings and ornate cornices scream refined luxury. Imagine arriving home to this elegant embrace every day. This living room is living its best life. Dual velvet sofas hug the marble fireplace just right. Sunlight dances across the parquet floors from grand casements. Ivory-paneled walls glow with subtle gilding. Crystal chandelier sparkles above the coffee table. Silk drapes frame it all perfectly. Cozy yet oh so luxe for those fancy gatherings. Family room vibes are spot on here. Plush sectional invites lazy afternoons by the media unit. Persian rug softens the herringbone oak beneath. Sun floods in through those black-framed windows. Ivory walls with gold cornices add warmth. Textured pillows and side tables make it feel lived in. Perfect spot for movie nights with a French twist. Dining area steals the show. Grand table sparkles with china under the chandelier's glow. Sunlight bathes the parquet floors beautifully. Ivory walls and Haussmann moldings elevate every meal. Tufted chairs and that Apern centerpiece, elegant AF. Silk drapes hint at outdoor views. Host dinners that wow without trying. Kitchen island dreams come true. Marble waterfall edges shine in natural light from casement windows. Herringbone parquet flows seamlessly. Ivory cabinets with brass hardware look custom-made. High ceilings amplify the luxe feel. Open shelving displays pretty china. Whip up feasts in this refined French haven effortlessly. Butler's pantry is your coffee oasis. Shelves brim with glassware on marble counters. Sunlight highlights the gold leaf details on ivory walls. Parquet flooring keeps it connected. Brass fixtures and that espresso machine. Convenience meets class. Prep station ready for seamless entertaining. Little luxury that makes mornings magical. Master bedroom serenity at its finest. Tufted velvet headboard cradles the king bed perfectly. Sun streams over parquet floors from balcony windows. Ivory walls with cornices feel so serene. Silk drapes and crystal lamps add softness. Nightstands hold just the right touches. Wake up to Parisian elegance every dawn. Walk-in closet goals unlocked. Velvet-lined shelves organize everything flawlessly. Natural light from wrought-iron windows keeps it bright. Herringbone oak underfoot ties it together. Gold accents on ivory panels scream sophistication. Full mirrors and wood hangers elevate the vibe. Your wardrobe deserves this polished paradise. Vanity area feels like a spa retreat. Double mirrors frame the marble basin beautifully. Sunlight warms the parquet and ivory walls. Brass faucet gleams with those cornices above. Cushioned stool invites pamper sessions. Perfume trays add a luxe sparkle. Groom in style, Haussmann elegance all the way. Kids' room balances fun and finesse. Twin beds with playful bedding fit right in. Sunlight floods the parquet through tall windows. Ivory walls keep it calm with gold details. Built-in desks and storage stay practical. High ceilings make it airy. Whimsical yet worldly, perfect for little dreamers. Guest bedroom welcomes like old friends. Queen bed with neutral linens looks so inviting. Bright sun highlights the herringbone floors. Ivory paneled walls glow softly. Armchair nook begs for chats. Marble nightstands and towels say hospitality. Rest easy in this tranquil French luxe cocoon. Home office library inspires big ideas. Desk faces towering bookshelves under sunlight. Parquet flooring grounds the space warmly. Ivory walls with ornate moldings focus the mind. Leather chair and brass lamp set the tone. Globes add worldly charm. Productivity wrapped in Parisian refinement. Backyard terrace extends the magic outdoors. Wrought-iron seating matches the house perfectly. Parquet flows out under the cornice overhang. Sunlight pours through French doors. Ivory walls transition seamlessly. Marble table and topiary keep it chic. Alfresco lounging with that Haussmann flair. Garden out back is pure poetry. Manicured parterres frame the fountain sweetly. Stone paving echoes interior herringbone. Sun bathes the ivory facade and iron windows. Roses climb the walls romantically. Benches invite quiet moments. Versailles vibes meet everyday bliss in this lush retreat. There you have it, your ultimate Haussmann luxury mansion tour, from sunlit foyer to lush garden retreat. All that glossy parquet, gold accents, and classical charm. Loved it? Hit like, subscribe for more design inspo, and drop your fave room in the comments. See you next time.